we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Latvia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, we may or may not need a visa. And whenever you see the requirements, check the requirements as per the official entity, be it embassy, consulate, whichever of the country that covers your residential region, because based on your residential area there could be some additional documents, additional requirements, even additional fee too, right? So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So I'm looking at the requirements at this Embassy of Republic of Latvia to Republic of India. Here I have gone into consular information, and because it's part of a Schengen country, so you need to apply a Schengen visa. Okay, that is called, like, for short term with it, type C. Okay, now how you're gonna do? Okay, that is what we are gonna see here. So it depends upon who you are. Okay, because if you are someone like who has some sort of relation in Europe, like they have given here in this page. Let me take it over there. Uh, yeah, those who are EU, those who are family member of EU, EA national and Swiss national, then they can directly apply at the embassy. And they have also uh, like visa fee has been waived. Okay, they can go to this link and do it, right? And they can go through VFS also, but anyway, this is the link. So basically, what are the documents you need for short term? Your passport, your visa application form online. So you need to fill it online, download, print, sign. Okay, and then you need to carry 2 color photographs. Medical insurance, this I have seen for all the Schengen countries, 30,000 euro is minimum. Visa fee, of course, 90 euro. And if when you are going through VFS, they will be paying additional fee too. Okay. All right. So, invitation. Okay. And round trip tickets, supporting documents under proof of accommodation, uh, proof of sufficient funds. Okay. So depending upon case by case, these things are required. Like for additional documents also they have given. So I don't need to walk you through all of this. You can see that what are the things that apply to you. But yes, let's go through the process. So for process, what we are gonna do, we are gonna open the VFS site. Okay, and then from there we are gonna take it further. Okay, I just had the link here somewhere. No worries, I'll find out that anyway. They have also given information about people of yeah, thank you. People of Nepali nationality, Bangladeshi nationality they also. Okay, so I opened this VFS global site, apply for a visa. So identify the visa type. So let's go click here. So we are going for a short stay visa, tourist visa. Okay, so overview is given, fee. So in INR, this is the conversion, this can change. Okay, and you can pay by cash and debit card, and VFS service charge is also there. That also you have to pay. There are some optional services. If you want to take, you take, otherwise you don't. Okay, and you can book appointment like this, call, or you can book online too by sending an email. But I'll check if you can book it through this wizard. Documents required, tourist visa. So let's see the checklist. Visa application form, we'll go through that. Photos, passport, medical insurance, round trip ticket, proof of accommodation. Okay, proof of financial means, Private bank account statement showing for a 3 month bank statement, duly attested. If you are employed, salary based, salary payslip for last 3 months. If you are owner or self-employed, certificate of registration. If you are sponsored, then 3 months of salary slip, certificate of business registration. If you are retired, pension statement and additional documents. Okay, if applied, journey. Okay, and you also need to sign. You need to sign. VFS will also sign. Date also. Applicant, yeah, applicant sign. Fine. Okay, fine. So checklist is fine. Let's go through other. Photo specification we don't have to walk through. We have already seen that. Processing time 2 weeks. Apply at least 2 weeks in advance and may take up to 10 working days. But I would suggest like uh, apply with more duration so that you have sufficient form. Now online application form, most important. Let's go through it. Okay, so it's available in multiple languages like English, Russian, and Latvian. So I went for English. So let's start. Visa type, Schengen visa. Place of submission. So do you do as per your case? I'm doing India. Embassy. Okay, application language, English. Now all the information you see here is gonna be sample. Surname at birth, if different, but it's not mandatory. First name, John. Be very careful with the date format, but I think it's advisable to use this kind of tool. I mean, date picker, so that there's no problem. Place of birth, check your passport. Country of birth, I didn't know. Current nationality, uh, nationality birth if different. Okay, other nationality. Well, India does not support dual nationality, so it won't apply. Gender, yes, single. In case of minor, surname, first name, address, if different from nationality. Okay, this we don't have to. National ID document, identity number. So in India, you get PAN card and Aadhaar card, so that you can use. Type of travel document. So I'll say ordinary passport in most of the cases, because not everyone can is gonna get diplomatic passport. Date again, you got to be clear. Issued by country. Personal data of family member who is an EU citizen. So this only applies. Okay. Family relation with EU citizen. No, place of residence. This is for you. Location, state, country. Okay. So I'll just put Delhi. Street, house name, postal code, your email address. Provide correct email address. Don't do like this. Phone number. Residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. I select no. But let's say if you're Indian national living in Canada, then you will usually yes and provide the information. Current occupation. Wow. Employer for student, name of educational. So your company name where your employer. Address and phone number. Main purpose of the journey. Okay. Provide full information as you can. That's what you're gonna do. This will strengthen your case. Member state of destination. So because it's a Schengen, that's why. Member state of first entry. Other member states of destination. I'm leaving in blank, but if you have definitely intent date of arrival. So remember the processing time was given. So I'll give still sufficient time. Date of leave. Fingerprint previously applying for a Schengen visa, I select no. But if you have done, definitely provide that entry permit for the final country of destination. So you're coming back to India, right? So definitely this is not applicable. Surname of inviting person in the member state. If not, name of hotel, temporary accommodation. Yes. Let's say you're using at a hotel A, address of the hotel. So hotel address you definitely know if you have done the booking. Postal code definitely you know. It will be on your booking receipt. Email, of course, it may have a contact email. Why not? Who doesn't have those nowadays? Name of inviting, this is not applicable. Cost of traveling and living, don't say who is gonna cover. Means of cash, traveler's check, credit card, prepaid, transport. Wow. So okay, fine. So I'll just say 6 place. I'll say Delhi. You haven't signed it yet. Save application. Oh, surname of the if not, you have a hotel. Uh, hello. Okay, perfect. So it's created. What you're gonna do, download. You can send it by email also. You need to print directly print here and you need to sign and carry. That you had seen in the checklist. So that is how things works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. But wait, before I end, I remember we talked about appointment. So book an appointment. So there was a phone number in an email account. But we can do this also to book an appointment. Okay, we support visa application to entire. We would like to attend visa application center under short stay. Okay, so you can do like this also, and they have this and this visa screening. Wow. Okay, so they have given like ready to. So when you if you are ready to arrange a student visa application appointment, so this is for student visa application appointment. For other kind of visa like tourist, air transport, business visa, cultural, family, medical visa, you need to follow this way. Okay. So this is for only student visa. So this I'll check it cover in some other video. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.